On this week's edition of the Business Review, a closer look at a manufacturing and distribution company gearing up to broaden its regional expansion. TVJ's Andrew Laidley tells us more.
For more than a decade, Pioneer Manufacturing Distribution Company has been supplying Jamaican households with the chemicals they need to complete daily chores like cleaning, dishwashing, and doing laundry. Over time, the company expanded and is now exporting to other countries in the region. Founder and Managing Director Alfred Thomas explained that he started the company in 2005, but he didn't start to see the rewards until 8 years later.
The real growth started 2013-14 when we picked up the Diversity brand, and we also took on other brands. At that time, we were now starting to look at our weaknesses and problems that we had, strengthen our management team.
Mr. Thomas is a graduate from two globally renowned universities, Purdue and Harvard. But even with that educational background and his professional experience, he admitted that starting a company from scratch was no simple feat.
We did not start off with a bang because, people did not know the company. They know me. But so we had to now do the promotions, do well in what we were doing in terms of the customer service, the follow-up, having stock available, and also going out to meet the customers. Paying your bills on time because your receivables were not coming in on time. You had to go to the bank to get financing. You had to get also support from family members and friends to help you to navigate starting a business.
He says building integrity has played a crucial role in the development of Pioneer Manufacturing, noting that making payments on time and being tax compliant is a must. Staying true to those principles, Mr. Thomas says the company started to reap the benefits.
Within a short while, when the AEO structure was introduced by Jamaica Customs, we were one of the first companies to be asked to get the AEO privileges. So as a result of that, our containers come in, like other companies now have that privilege. Our containers are not checked by customs. They come and they roll off. And so within 24 hours after the container arrives in Jamaica, it is in our warehouse. But how do you get there? Because of integrity, because of consistency, because of understanding that you have obligations.
Looking ahead, Mr. Thomas is trying to carve out a bigger portion of the sanitation and cleaning business for his company, especially where exports are concerned. For now, export accounts for only 5% of his sales, but he is hoping that will change soon. And in the meantime, the company is doing its due diligence with developing new products.
We are not going to be running to launch products that will fail. We are doing the research. And yesterday we had a team of guys here from abroad, and we're looking at some exciting products.
At the same time, Mr. Thomas is urging similar businesses to stay the course despite the rough patches.
I feel there is big opportunity for companies like myself to stay the course, because remember, 80% of companies like myself do fail. We have passed that stage significantly because we have gone through the rough patches and are now moving towards perpetual growth.
Pioneer Manufacturing Distribution Company acquired the Chlorodo brand early in its operations and have used the power of that brand to push many of its products on the local market. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.